Hi kids, welcome to My Cute Toons with Jock. Today we're going to draw Princess Celestia from My Little Pony. Follow along with me. So we're going to take our marker and we're going to start with the eyes as usual. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the eye. So it's going to be a little bit different than usual. So I'm just going to make a line like this. And then from there, I'm actually going to draw a line back like so. And from here, I'm just going to draw a line like this. So then we're going to draw the inner eye. We're going to draw the pupil. And like always, we're going to draw some light reflections. So there's a light reflection and maybe we'll draw a smaller one inside. And then we can color in the pupil. Okay, good. That's our little eye. Beautiful. And then of course we need some eyelashes. So we want 1, 2, 3 eyelashes. Perfect. And then from here, I'm going to draw the front part of her face. So I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to draw a nose and I'm going to bring it down like this. I'm going to draw a little nostril there and I'm going to draw a beautiful little smile as well. There we go. And there's a smile. And then for the bottom part of her chin, I'm just going to draw a line out. And then of course we're just going to do something like this. Perfect. And then from this side I'm going to actually draw her hair. So I'm going to start up here and I'm just going to draw a curvy line down like this. You're with me? Good. And then we're going to draw the other eye. So I'm just going to draw a line like this. And then we're just going to draw another line down like that. And then from this side I'm just going to draw the pupil again. And you're going to draw a light reflection as well. And we're going to color it in. There we go. And there's the 2 eyes. From up here, I'm just going to make a little mark. And that's going to be a horn. So, a unicorn horn. Going up, coming down, like that. And then we're just going to make a few lines for the grooves of the horn. Perfect. And then, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a crown. So, from here, I'm actually just going to draw a little line down, like this. And then on top I'm just going to draw another line because first I want to draw an ear. I'm going to draw a line up and I'm going to draw a line down. And that's going to be her ear. And we're just going to make a little line like that. From here I want to draw the crown. So I'm just going to draw a line up. Going to bring it down. Another line up. And we're going to bring it down as well. There's the first part of a crown. And then this side I'm going to do the same. I'm actually just going to make little line like so, something like that, and that's her crown. And in her crown it seems like there's some diamond as well. From here I'm just going to finish the crown like this. You're with me? And then from here I'm going to draw her hair. So I'm just going to draw a little line like this. I'm going to return it back and I'm going to take it back to her ear like that. And then for her neck, so from here I'm just going to draw a neck down like this. And here we're just going to draw a line to there. From there I'm going to draw, you're with me? And then from here we're going to draw another line like this. Bring it up, bring it over and bring it around her neck like that. And of course a diamond there as well. Good. And now for her chest area, we're just going to draw a line back like this. And now we're going to draw her legs. So I'm going to draw a leg down to there. It's going to be long legs because she has long legs. And then we're going to go up like this. There's one leg. And then for the other one, do the same. It's going to disappear behind the other leg. And then you can just make another line just to show the back part of her leg as well. And then she has this beautiful hooves. And you can actually just do something like this. And there's her hoof as well. Perfect. And this side you can just make a little mark like that as well. And then you're going to draw a line up for her belly. Yeah. And right here we're going to draw the hind legs like so. Good. Perfect. And before we go on, let's do the other leg as well, like this, and there. And then the hooves again. So we're going to draw a line like this, a line like so, bring it over, bring it back, smaller, like that. Perfect. And then on this side we're going to do the same thing. We're going to just bring something up, over, and there you go. There's the other hoove as well. Then from here I'm just going to draw a line down, and then I'm going to bring it out, and I'm just going to connect it to the bottom of the hoove like that. Good. You're with me. And then we're just going to make a few little patterns for her necklace or whatever it is. There we go. Perfect. And this side we can do the same thing as well, like that. And now we're going to actually do a top part here for her hair. So I'm just going to draw a line there, there, behind, and let it go like this. Good. And then for this hair we're just going to do something like that, and another line like that. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine. You can do what you like, because it's just hair blowing in the wind like this. Oh, I think it looks beautiful. What do you think? The wings. From here I'm gonna draw the wing, and I'm gonna bring it all the way up to there and bring it back. Good. And what we're gonna do, we're actually gonna continue this, bring it back all the way, and you can stop right there. Great. And then what we can do is we can just make a wing like this, and we're just going to continue with it like this, and we're going to go all the way closer. And then from here we're going to draw a wing again. Yes, all the feathers, and we're going to go all the way back like this to there. Perfect. And then on this side we're going to draw the wing as well. So you're going to draw the feathers up, 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 and you're just going to bring it back like that. Perfect. And then from here we're going to draw just her back side like that. Good. And then we're going to draw a sun, because she has this sun tattoo. Here we go. There we go. There, 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 and there. Great. Actually, we must change it a little bit, so it's actually going to be a little bit rounder like that. Good. Alright, and then for her tail. So I'm going to draw a beautiful tail from there. I'm going to carry it on to there, and we're just going to draw something like this. There we go. And there's the tail as well. And we're just going to make a few lines for the different colors of a tail, like this. And then here we're going to do the same thing, like this. There we go. Perfect. And that's Princess Celestia. So now we can color her in, and I'm sure she's going to look absolutely perfect. Thank you for drawing with me, and please leave me a comment, and please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.